Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing our Teeny-Tiny Doily. We are now on the last circle for this piece, the short, but I'll give you instructions if you are doing the long Teeny-Tiny Doily or for the egg after I finish adding this circle. We did the previous and we're going to add this one. Our string's coming out on this side, so we're going to add them in this order. And for my piece, that is 3 highs and then 2 lows, so that'll be 3 greens. And 2 pinks. Then we'll go through the bead our string is coming out of. Enter from the opposite side. And there we have added our beads. Now, if this is your last set, like on the short one, you will continue to the next video. If you are doing the long or egg version, you will want to go through the 3 side beads on the side your string is on so that you are at the bottom of your circle. Now for the egg doily, you will want to proceed to the special video for the last circle for the egg doily. Those videos will be put up a little bit later. And for the long one, you will want to repeat the previous video and then this video, and then you should be ready to continue the next row. So I hope to see you in the next video once you have gotten your row as long as it needs to be, and see you there.